Welcome to Literature with Sasha, where we deep dive into the world of literary exploration. In today's video, we are unveiling the concept of research methodology in English literature. What it is, how it shapes your studies, and the different methods you can use to enhance your literary analysis. Whether you are a student, researcher, or a literature enthusiast, this guide will help you direct the details of literary research with ease. So grab a cup of tea and let's get started. Outline for our lecture 1. Introduction. Definition of research methodology. Importance of research methodology in English literature. What is research methodology? Purpose and scope of research methodology. Types of research methodology. Qualitative research, quantitative research, mixed method research. Introduction. Research methodology is the cornerstone of any academic work, particularly in the field of English literature. It serves as the framework through which researchers approach their studies, guiding them through systematic process to achieve valid, reliable results. In simple terms, research methodology refers to the strategies, techniques, and tools that scholars use to investigate literary texts, theories, and topics. Understanding this concept is crucial for anyone embarking on research in English literature, as it shapes the approach and outcome of the study. What is research methodology? Research methodology in the context of English literature involves the specific procedure used to collect, analyze, and interpret literary data. These methods vary according to the objectives of studies, the type of research being conducted, and the data available. Whether the researcher is exploring the themes in a particular novel or comparing literary style across different authors, the methodology provides a structured approach to conduct the research. Purpose and scope of research methodology. The purpose of research methodology is to ensure that the research process is rigorous, systematic, and objective. It helps in the structuring the research to ensure that the conclusions drawn are credible and grounded in evidence. The scope of research methodology extends from the initial stages of defining the research questions to the final presentation of the findings, ensuring that every aspect of research is aligned with the overall objective. Types of research methodology. There are several types of research methodology, each suited to different kinds of literary studies. These include qualitative research, quantitative research, mixed research. Mixed methods research. Qualitative research. Qualitative research is often used in literary studies to explore deeper meaning, themes, and context within text. This type of research focuses on the quality rather than on quantity of the data. It is commonly used for analyzing the nouns of literature, including character development, symbolism, and narrative structures. Quantitative research. Quantitative research involves the collection and analysis of numerical data. In English literature, this might involve studying patterns in literary works such as the word frequency, sentence length, or even reader reactions to text through survey or questionnaires. Mixed methods research. Mixed methods research combines both qualitative and quantitative approaches, allowing for a more comprehensive analysis of literary phenomena. This methodology might be used when researchers want to quantify certain aspects of a text while exploring the deeper, more subjective qualities. In conclusion, research methodology is a vital aspect of literary study, guiding researchers through the systematic process of inquiry. By following the appropriate research design methods and ethical guidelines, scholars can produce insightful, credible, and valuable contributions to the field of English literature. Thank you for joining me on today's journey through research methodology in English literature. I hope this video helps you approach your literary studies with a fresh perspective and solid understanding. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content right here on Literature with Sasha. Drop your thoughts or any question in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep reading and keep exploring.